Hi, everyone. My name is Stacy Wixall. I'm the director of Macedon Public Library, and I am going to show you a little earring project that we came up with. If you decide you want to do the project, there is a small fee for the supplies. It is 50 cents, which I challenge you to find earrings anywhere else for that low a price. You will get this little kit. It has all the little pieces that you need in the baggie, and I'm just going to show you what you will do. So first of all, these are the little flower power earrings that you will make. Now, the ones I have on have an orange flower with a sparkly blue sort of paint behind them. But you can paint your earrings whatever color you would like. Now, we didn't include nail polish in the little baggie or acrylic paint or colored pencils or anything like that. But I'm betting that at your house, you probably have acrylic paint or nail polish or colored pencils, or even you could probably even color with crayon and maybe go over it with an iron and some wax paper. You could get creative. There's lots of things you can use to color on this material. So all the earring is, oh, another thing you'll need to supply is some wood glue, or just simple Elmer's school glue will do the trick. So what you're going to do, you will get two of these little circle pieces that have a circle cut out at the top, and you will get four little flower pieces. And you're simply going to take your glue and glue a flower, center it right above the curved portion that's cut out, center one on each side, okay? So you'll do that, and you'll wait for your glue to dry. Oh, I know the other thing you can color your earrings with that I was trying to think of. Markers. I bet you have some markers at your house. Markers will work great on this. So once it's dry, and you would have one here and you would have one on the other side. And in the interest of time, I'm not gonna actually glue these right now, but so you'd have one on each side, and I'll show you. So if you look at this one, I've got one on each side, and then you get like a nice 3D effect when it's hanging. And you let them dry, and then you're gonna find the hardware for the earrings. So you have a jump ring for each earring. I don't know if you can see that. I will try to hold it so you can. You have one for each earring, and you have a French hook, which looks like this. Now I have some jewelry pliers. You can probably get pliers from your husband, or maybe you have your own. And if you don't, I'll just show this. I'll show it both ways. You can either get some pliers and choose to open the ring up by grabbing on, and think of it like a saloon door. You're not gonna pull this way. You're gonna want back and forth. So I'm just gonna move it back, and then I'm gonna put my French loop onto the ring. And then I'm going to take my pliers, grab hold, and I'm going to shut the door. I'm going to push it away from myself in there. Now I have this attached. Now, hopefully, I didn't do it because I haven't actually glued these together, but let's pretend this has the flowers on it and everything. I would, I'll do it with this one. Oh, I'm going to open this with my fingers. So for those of you who maybe can't get a hold of a pair of pliers, you can use your fingers. Same idea. You're gonna push one direction with your thumb and forefinger, and with the other hand's thumb and forefinger, you're gonna pull the other direction till it opens. And you should have this on here before you put your French hoop on. But that is that. And I'm just going to close that one back up because I am not actually going to leave that together. So that's all there is to that. Now, if you can't do it with your fingers and you don't have any pliers at your house, just come to the library and say, I really need some pliers because I don't have any. we have a whole basket full. We are very happy to let you borrow our pliers. You can make these over in the Idea Factory section of our library, and you can use the nail polishes we have over there. If you don't happen to have any of the ideas that I just gave a minute ago, please come to the library and we'll set you up. We have everything you need. We have glue, all of it. So I hope that you will try making these. Again, it's 50 cents. And oh, one last tip. I'm going kind of fast here, and I forgot to say this. You're probably wondering, when does the painting or the markering or whatever you're going to use to color them in happen? I recommend you actually paint or use your markers or colored pencils or your nail polish, however you're going to color them in. I would do that first, then I'd glue the little flowers on, and then I'd, do the rest of the steps. So I hope you try these out, and they're pretty cute, and you can have fun wearing them this fall. Maybe do them in some, I did my flowers orange for fall, but maybe, if I would have done this background piece like a brown or a burgundy, that could have been pretty for fall. So until next time, bye. Thanks for tuning in.